Welcome back. In today's video, I'm asking you guys a question. My question to you guys is, how often do you shoot your carry gun and how often do you clean them? It is now fall 2019 and I admit I am not the best at always shooting my carry gun. My personal carry gun is a Glock 26. I've had this for a long time, so it's been my carry gun. I know everybody likes shields, yada yada yada. This is my personal preference. I shoot it good and I don't plan on changing it anytime soon. Now, I am probably very bad about shooting this thing though. Usually I shoot it once in the spring and I shoot it once in the fall, and that's also when I clean it. So what I do is I shoot it, then I take it aside and clean it and get it all nice and ready until spring. So what we're going to do right now is I'm just going to fire some mags through it. I got like 4 or 5 mags loaded up with different mags just to get some trigger time on it. So let's go ahead and get started shooting. Basically all I got is some Everglades plated bullets loaded up, and we're going to fire those. Perfect example why you need to get out and shoot your carry guns. I got different sight pictures with my other Glocks. Now, one reason why I like the Glock 26 is because I could put a 17 round mag in it. Now I got a Magpul 21 rounder. Concentrating mainly on the silhouette targets because basically that's what you're going to be shooting at. I did try to take some shots at the plates, but I'm too used to my Glocks with the better triggers. Now I got a fun stick. I'm going to run that in here and we'll end the video out. Perfect example why you should get out and practice with your carry gun though. I could come out here with my Glock 17 with a better trigger in it and hit this stuff all day long. Truthfully, I need to get out and practice some more with it. Like I said, when I do practice with it, I try to hit the silhouette targets because that's going to be more real life than trying to shoot at the little plates. So leave down in the comments below, how often do you shoot your carry gun and how often do you clean it? Well, that's all I got for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one.